Welcome to our channel again after so long. So today I have Asus TUF A15 and this variant you will know in the video. So today we will unbox this Asus TUF A15. So let's get started. So first of all, the front look is just like that. So in most of the models you will get stickers, but in some of them you will not get stickers, so don't worry about it. So here we got a laptop which is Asus TUF A15. So let's place it here and look into what we will get here. So first of all you will get some manual order book, and you can find a lot of manuals there, and after that you will get this box. In this box you will find here a power adapter for Asus TUF A15. So this is a power adapter of I think 180 watts. So this is so fast. And after it, in second box you will get a power cord like that. So this is a power cord. And in third box you will get these things to join your hard disk. If you buy new hard disk, so you have to use this, and that's it. So let's look into the laptop. So here Asus TUF A15. So let's unbox it. So the first impression is like that. As you can see, the TUF logo front of the laptop, and here you can see TUF Gaming also like that. So let's open it and see what we got here. So open it. So you get a very good display of 144Hz screen, and you will get a RGB keyboard which is very good, and you will get a lot of features mentioned there just like that. You will get power button here and a lot of features which you can see there. It's Ryzen 7 model 400 series, and it's a very good model, as you have already seen in the market about this model. This is so very good model. So after that you will get a lot of features in this laptop. So let's look at the specs of this laptop. So you will get 512 GB of SSD and 8 GB of RAM with 3200 MHz, and after that you will get here 4 GB VRAM which comes with DDR6 support, and you will get it it's 1660 Ti model, 1650 Ti. So you will get 1650 Ti, 4 GB of VRAM here. So it look gaming performance so good. It will enhance your gaming performance very good. So let's on this laptop. So this is a new laptop, so this isn't charged right now, so I have to charge it. After that I will show you how it's working. Laptop, you will get a TUF branding here, and after that you will see the Asus here, and there is also a webcam which is 720p of course. And so in ROG laptop you don't usually get a webcam, but they added in this laptop, so this is a very good feature. And after that you will get a mouse track here which is very big and very good, and is also very smooth. And you will get a button, just you can press it like that, and it's not so noisy. It's a little bit good, just like that. Now I will show the ports of this laptop, so be with us. So let's look at the port of this laptop. So we will close it here. You can see a red lining here just like that. So it's look good, pretty good. So let's close it. So let's look at the back of this side. So you will see a lot of honeycomb design here which make it very good, but you will get the fan will be blow out from there, and you will get speakers from there which is very good, and it looks amazing here, and it will give you a very good quality of speakers. You can see here also. So let's look at the port of this laptop. So first of all, in this side you will get a power cord, power adapter, and this is a LAN port, and this is a HDMI port, and you will get two 3.2 USB port, and after that you will get a USB type C port and also a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So You can add your external monitor with this port, and after that you can see this side you will see a USB 2.0 port, which is, I don't know why they added 2.0 port. They should add 3.2 port also here, but you can use your mouse from here, so it's not matter very much. And you will see a Kingston lock here. So after that, on the back side you can see here is a fan, which quality is very good. You can see this is a perfect gaming laptop. And after that you will see a fan here also. So you can see fan here also on the under the laptop, so it's make this very cool and also good. So after that, so this laptop comes with Windows 10 Home Edition. So this is a very good laptop, but I have heard some display issue in this laptop, which I will cover later. I will cover after checking the whole laptop. And I have also heard about heating issues, so I will check it out on by my personal use. As you can see, the TUF logo is looking very good here also. So I will show you, I will open this laptop in next video and I will show you there. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe my channel for further videos and like this video if you found it useful.